Hi everybody! Tonight we will go with how to fix drop stitch. So first, I will show you how to do it on the machine. When your drop stitch happen on your machine and you are able to see it. So you grab your hook. In this video I have a 4. Hook number 4. So I will find the drop stitch. Go over with the yarn, bring it back with the hook, put over, bring it back with the hook till I get to the teeth of the machine. To do that, it's a good thing to have a hook for the loom hook, because sometimes it's very easier. You do it with the crochet, not the crochet but the hook that I have right now, and then you need sometimes the loom hook. Be careful, because I have the knot of the yarn. I got the drop stitch because I was adding some new yarn. It's the same thing like if I did the color change, sometimes happen there too. You're not enough your eye on the machine and oops, you lost one. So I will grab my loom hook, bring the other stitch, not the stitch, the other yarn that need to be picked, and put that on the teeth. You don't see it, but trust me, I put it on the teeth. And then to make sure, you will crank it one turn just to make sure that it's fixed. Sorry. So when you arrive to the place that was dropped, you slow down a little bit just to make sure, and you're okay. So that's the first way. Second way, I will put my machine upside down, and for me it's easier to do it like that. For me. Now I have 2 drop stitch on this one. So with my hook and my left hand will hold the machine, and with my right hand, because I'm right-handed, I will with my hook grab all the stitch that I had lost. I could help it with my other hand that it's hidden under the project. So you have to go slowly. I was going a little bit too fast and the camera in my face, but you could see how I'll do it. For me it's easier that way. I will show you later how to do it when you notice after you remove your project from the machine that you lost some stitch or a tuck stitch, how to fix that. So I'll continue like that. And when you have like 2 drop stitch like this, it's good to have some little markers or the plastic thing to keep your stitch to be lost again. You will see I have some white one. I don't know how to call that. If you could have a name, put that on the comment of the video. I'd be happy to read it. So that's a gadget. So I grab the stitches with it. I go to my other stitch that it's dropped, and I will do the same thing. Start on the bottom and get up. I put the knot inside because it was bothering me, and I continue to get up by catching one by one each stitch. I have to be careful there because there's a knot. Adding some yarn over there, and I keep going. You will see the gadget is very important at the end. It gets your work easier. If you don't have that, maybe just add a little piece of yarn and attach it with a bow. I don't know. But for me, it's worked well with the little gadget thing. This video was 7 of 7 from the special week of October. This one I forgot to finish the editing because I was sick, so I'm sorry for the late release of this one. But hope you enjoy it. Come back. So you understand that you could do that technique when your machine is not attached on the table. Because if it's not attached, don't try with the table. Don't injure yourself. So I continue to put my gadget thing over there. And I will go to my other stitch just to go check the other side how it's look. Look okay. You can see it, but me I see it. Sorry, not the right angle. You could see it. It's getting better. I have like 12 more to catch up. To catch up. Oh mon dieu. Sorry. So I grab my hook and I will go continue it. When you get closer to your teeth, you'll put your white gadget again and go on the other side. The other one. And don't worry because you see a little space between the stitches. When you're gonna finish it, you will see that I stretch it when I'm done. I will stretch a little bit my work. And you will not be able to see it after. It will be clean, clean, clean. Almost there. Last one. There. Gadget thing again. Turn the machine and voila. You see the little bit. There. Now, open the yarn feeder. Because you don't want the yarn to be in your way. Grab your plastic thing on the good side. Remove the yarn. And you put your gadget thing over your needle like this, so you have your stitches back on the needle. Then you take your yarn, make sure you go under and in front, under, and put it back in the yarn feeder. I put it in the upper hole, but it's on a choice. Don't worry about it. And then you crank it. Go slowly when you arrive where you fix your 2 drop stitch. Make sure everything's fine, and it is. Woohoo! So that was the second way to fix a drop stitch. There. I will just stretch it a little bit like I said earlier to fix the stitch to be equal to each other. So you can't see anything now. So that's it for this one. Oh, third way. You have a drop stitch and you just notice it right after you remove it from the machine. Ay, ay, ay. It's easy. Actually, it's the easiest way to fix it when it's not on the machine. I will put that on because it's dropped there. But if you go upper, the stitches get back on the machine, and there's some stitches like really I have to remove them. Okay, so I will go with the pink yarn with the yarn needle and grab just one side of each stitch, so that way I will remove the waste yarn after, because I could not keep it like this because I have to remove the top of the the stitches on the top of the drop stitch. I don't know if I say it right, but oh, you understand. There's some stitches like there that stuck there, so I have to remove it. If you don't understand right now, but you will when I remove it, you will say, okay, I understand now. So remove the waste yarn, find a place and just pull it. When it's all done, the pink yarn keep all your stitches together. Open it, okay, because you want to drop one stitch, this one, because the top have stitch that get very tight together, and I need to remove them to be able to start from the bottom and get up again with. So remove it like this. Understand more, I'm sure. And then I will go with the hook number 4, grab the stitches and start on the bottom of it with a hook number 4 and just go and grab one. It's the easiest way when it's not on the machine. That's what I think anyways. So that's the third way to fix it, and you got it. And then if you'd like to do like a finishing with a crochet, you could do starting with the stitch that you're just done and grab all the way the other one. So that was the third way. Fourth way, we will do that with a latch hook. I have to check on Google for that name because I didn't know the name of that hook. So usually you use that for a rug. So I just gonna use it like this, not like usually when it's on the machine it's easier to use a little thing that close on the stitch, but I don't really need it. So if you don't have a crochet hook at home, just use that. It's gonna work. You can see it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm very sorry to be late with this one. Hope you enjoy it. See you to next week. Ciao ciao.